welcome to the UPS Education. Today we are going to discuss about the recently released MPhil and PhD Clinical Psychology admission forms for 2025 RINPAS Ranchi. First, go to our website and go to the updates button on the right corner and click on it. You'll find the Ranchi admission 2025 article and you are going to open it. Here you will find the necessary details about the admission process and also the link to the application form. Now you have to go through the application form and everything that is written here, and then you are going to download the application form which is in the bottom of the article. Click on the download button. You'll find that form in your downloads folder in your computer. Then you're going to print it out, this form, because as mandated by the university you need to send it via post. So let's look at the application form now. First of all, you will see it says that indicate in which course you are going to take the admission. So select if you are going to take admission in PhD Clinical Psychology. Or tick mark if you're going to take admission in M.Phil Clinical Psychology. Now you are going to enter your name in the block letters. Okay, block letters meaning capital letters. Okay, after that you are going to add your date of birth, then your father's or your husband's name. Then you are going to enter your address for correspondence with PIN code, telephone number and an email ID. Okay, then you are going to fill if you are from scheduled caste or scheduled tribe. Okay, you have to attest a certificate issued by the government of Jharkhand. Okay, if you are from Jharkhand, otherwise you can leave this particular field empty. Next, you are going to fill your educational qualifications. If you are applying for PhD, then you need to fill all three of them. If you are applying only for MPhil, then you need to fill the first two. First is BA, BCom, your bachelor's. You're going to fill the necessary details: school, subjects offered, division, your marks and year of your passing. Then you're going to fill the master's, your school, your subjects offered, your division, your marks and your year of passing. And if you're going to fill for the PhD, then you're going to fill the MPhil too: your school, university, subjects offered, division and marks. Okay, now enclose these attested copies of the mark sheet. Okay, mark sheets टेस्ट करना है आप लोगों को. उसके बाद demand draft, you need to attach the original copy to the number of your demand draft, the date at which it is created, the amount, the drawings bank and payable at Ranchi. Then you are going to tell if you have already been a student of Ranchi University or not. If you were, then you're going to put in your registration number and year of your registration. If you're not, then you can leave this empty. Next is if you are an employee or not, if you're working or not. If you are not, you can leave this empty. If you are, then you can fill in the necessary details. After that, you are going to put in all the forms that you have attached with this document, then the declaration, place, date and all these things. Now next is admit card. You will also need to fill the admit card and you are going to attach it with the application form. First, you need to fill your name in the block letters. Then you are going to put in your date of birth and your passport size photograph too. Then your father or your husband's name. Then you're going to put in your address for correspondence and then the course which you have applied for the admission in. And that's it. That will be your form and you can send it now.